Stand knees. Turn the head to the left. Insert right hand into behind the neck. Try to reach left ear. Lift head with the right hand a little bit from the floor toward the center of the body. Then bring it down. Use the power of the hand. Try to lessen the use of neck muscles. Lift head just off the floor and translate it to the right with hand and then come back. Interlace fingers behind the head. Roll head up and down. The head to the left. Right hand behind the head. Roll head up and down in this configuration. In the same configuration, lift head slightly off the floor and translate the head to the right.